Hi everyone, today we are diving into the world of audio with a true legend, the Shure SM7B. This microphone is iconic in the industry, known for its unparalleled sound quality. Whether you are a podcaster, a singer, or a content creator, the SM7B is designed to meet professional standards.
A legend, huh? Does it come with a cape and superpowers?
Not quite, but it might as well. The SM7B has been used by some of the biggest names in music and broadcasting. Michael Jackson even used it to record his Thriller album. So if you want to sound like a pro, this mic is a great choice. And don't forget, you can find the Shure SM7B link and all the other microphones we're going to compare it against in the description box down below, where I'll add any discounts I can possibly get you. So, first impressions, Tom, what do you think?
Well, it looks pretty serious, kind of like the Darth Vader of microphones. Very sleek and black.
That's right. The Shure SM7B is known for its robust build and professional design. It's heavy, solid, and feels like a high-quality piece of equipment right out of the box.
So, no cheap plastic parts?
Nope, it's built to last. The microphone comes with a yoke mounting mechanism which makes it easy to adjust and position.
Fancy words, Ben. Just like it looks like it won't break if I accidentally knock it over.
Alright, let's get into the tech specs. The Shure SM7B is a dynamic microphone with a cardioid polar pattern. It has a frequency response of 50 to 20,000 Hz, which is excellent for capturing a wide range of vocal nuances.
Dynamic? Cardioid? Is this mic gonna save my life?
Well, not exactly, but the cardioid pattern means it picks up sound from the front and the sides while rejecting noise from the back. It's great for noisy environments.
Ah, so it won't pick up my neighbor's dog bark.
Exactly. Plus it has built-in air suspension shock isolation, which reduces mechanical noise transmission.
Fancy. What else?
It also includes a built-in pop filter and an A7WS detachable windscreen for closed-talk applications. Now onto the performance. The Shure SM7B is revered for its ability to deliver clear, natural sound. It's particularly popular for vocals, whether you are doing voiceovers, podcasts, or live streaming.
I've heard it's good for loud vocals too.
Yes, it can handle high sound pressure levels without distortion, making it ideal for everything from soft speeches to screaming vocals.
So if I wanted to start my heavy metal podcast, I'm good?
Definitely, but keep in mind it does require a decent preamplifier or an audio interface with good gain because of its low output level. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros first.
Hit me with the good stuff.
The SM7B offers superb sound quality with minimal background noise, durable build, and excellent off-axis rejection.
And the cons?
It needs a good preamplifier to get the best performance, which can add to the cost. Also, it's not as versatile as some condenser microphones for capturing instruments.
So not perfect, but pretty close.
Exactly. Now let's compare to similar products. How about the Shure MV7 and the Rode NT1?
Sure. So what's the difference?
The Shure MV7 is a more affordable option and it has both USB and XLR outputs, making it versatile for different setups. However, it doesn't match the SM7B's audio quality. And for more details, you can watch our full review on the Shure MV7 in the link above me right now.
We'll check it for sure. And the Rode NT1?
The Rode NT1 is a condenser mic, which means it's more sensitive and captures more details, but it also requires phantom power. It's great for studio environments, but not as rugged as the SM7B. And for more details for the Rode NT1, you can watch our full review in the link above me right now.
Sounds like the SM7B is still the king of vocals and podcasts.
Indeed. Finally, price to value. The Shure SM7B is priced between $380 to $440 across different platforms, which might seem steep, but considering its build quality and performance, it's a solid investment for serious creators.
So, is it worth the price tag?
If you're looking for professional grade sound and durability, absolutely. Just remember to budget for a good preamplifier if you don't already have one.
Got it. So for someone like me who would like to start his own podcast, this could be the mic to get, right?
Definitely, and do not forget you can also find our video on the top 5 best wave microphone arms popped up for you on the screen right now. Check it out to know more about the top wave microphone arms in the market to use it with the Shure SM7B.
Thanks, Ben. Can't wait to get started.
Thanks for watching everyone. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video.